You'll notice the roofs of both buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called the takeoff structure. From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The cantilevered towers that support and direct the wires lean into the canyon to ensure the wires do not touch the walls and cause a short circuit. Looking downriver, midway on the canyon wall, you will see the rectangular concrete building with 6 holes. This is a valve house. There are 2 valve houses, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains 2 90-inch gate valves. These valves allow us to discharge water directly from the lake, bypassing the turbines whenever needed.